pointed out where you have significant positives, but since we are on the subject of Hindenburg and the Adani Group of stocks, give us your take on where things stand right now, because quite a few of these stocks, while they are recovering today and while they have moved higher over the course of the last couple of weeks, are still not trading close to the levels that they've seen earlier last year.
So, market sentiment has also not been supportive of that. And, they've got very large equity with very large floats, despite the fact that, Adani's control 75%. My guess is that with this Adani Hindenburg shutdown, you will have to find a voice of repute to tarnish Adani's image. And I think that has been now cancelled. And I think that this overhang of Hindenburg is gone with. And I think all the stocks will move quite handsomely in the coming few days. We're quite bullish on the Trump admin being, warm to the Adani Group. And we also expect that things will get sorted out quite favorably in the court, but that's a judgment to take. And the reason I say this is that, Adanis are looking to invest in the US and they made good commitments. And there could be favorable lobbying on the part of the Adani Group to get things going in their direction. Having said that, I believe that, if the Sensex or the Nifty has to rally sharply, I think these stocks will be out, this entire group will be outperformer because they have faced stress valuation, come out really weathered in terms of their debt, and growth has not been compromised. So I think things are looking good for these group of companies, and some wealth creation will happen from here going onwards.
Well, I heard Vineet Bolinshkar say that it might continue for a bit over the next few days, and it's not a one-day move, so bear that in mind. Shrikant Chauhan also with us. Shrikant, before we talk the market view, just very quickly, because these stocks are starting off well today, what is your sense on what the charts indicate or the momentum indicates for this? Assuming that they all start off between 3 to 5% higher, what would you as somebody who looks at trades think of trading into the Adani Group stocks?
Yeah, good morning, Neeraj. Good morning, everyone. If we go through with the entire this particular group, then most of these stocks have formed double bottom sort of formation after falling in the month of November 2024. This time when the sell-off was there, we saw higher bottom sort of formation and recovery from there. So in last 4 days, if you see the market, then the market was falling from the highs, but these stocks were like recovering from their lows. So it was very clear that something was like there in the particular maybe group or stock, and because of which these stocks were like relatively doing better. But in this particular group, if we go through with any specific stock, any one stock, then Adani Port looks really a strong candidate to buy for. Currently, it is around 1125, 1130. Maybe it will open somewhere close to 1150, 1175. But if we go through with its overall correction and relative performance, I think this stock should do much better. And we could again see the levels of 1450, 1500 in next maybe few weeks. It will take some time, but if there is a positional view, then even at current levels, even after opening 4-5% higher, we should look for adding this stock to the positional portfolio.